The most expensive sentence in a factory is not, "The machine is broken." It is, "I thought someone told the next shift." Every factory knows this moment. A new shift arrives. A new operator takes over the machine. Production should continue. But something feels wrong. The machine is behaving differently. The quality is not the same. The process is slower. And then the questions begin. What happened during the previous shift? Was there a problem? Was something adjusted? Did someone already try to fix it? Sometimes the answer is simple. Nobody knows. Because the person who knew already went home. This happens every day in factories around the world. Not because people do not care, not because teams are not professional. The problem is that production knowledge often disappears with the end of the shift. One operator notices something important, a small vibration, a strange sound, a quality issue, a temporary adjustment, a warning sign. Maybe they write it on paper. Maybe they send a message. Maybe they tell someone before leaving. But information is fragile. One missed message, one busy moment, one person absent from work, and suddenly, the next shift starts without the full story. Imagine this. It is 3 a.m. A production line is running. An operator notices that one part of the process is not perfect. The machine is still working, so production continues. The operator makes a small adjustment. The issue is controlled. Before finishing the shift, they tell a colleague, "Keep an eye on this machine." Then the shift changes. A new team arrives. The factory is running again. But the context is gone. The new operator sees only the current situation. They do not see what happened before. They do not know what was already checked. They do not know what was changed. So they start from zero. And starting from zero is expensive. It creates repeated troubleshooting, longer downtime, more frustration, and sometimes problems that could have been avoided. For years, factories have invested in machines, automation, ERP systems, and maintenance platforms. And those systems are important. But there is one thing they often do not solve: the simple daily conversation between one shift and the next, the human side of production, the knowledge that exists on the factory floor. This is the reason ShiftLog was created. Not to replace your existing systems, not to add another complicated platform, but to solve one specific problem: keeping production communication alive between shifts. With ShiftLog, operators can capture important information in seconds. What happened, where it happened, what the next team should know. No searching through messages, no guessing, no starting from zero. The next shift opens ShiftLog and sees the story of what happened before. Because every shift should continue the previous one, not restart it. The best factories are not only built with technology, they are built with people. People who notice problems, people who improve processes, people who keep production moving. But knowledge only creates value when it reaches the right person at the right time. The next time someone says, "I thought someone told the next shift," remember, that sentence is usually a symptom of a bigger problem: the missing connection between shifts. ShiftLog helps factories build that connection. Simple shift handovers, clear communication, better production continuity.